Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to create Zoho Mail, easy method. Start by visiting Zoho Mail signup, select either a free at Zoho, com address or add your custom domain, and create an admin account. Verify your domain with a TXT or CNAME record at your registrar, then create user accounts and set up MX records to receive mail. Finally, test sending and receiving messages and enable SPF and DKIM for better deliverability. To verify your domain easily, log into your registrar, find DNS management, and add the TXT or CNAME value Zoho provides. Save the record and return to Zoho Mail to click Verify. If verification fails, clear browser cache or recheck for typos. Once verified, Zoho allows you to add users and mailboxes quickly while you prepare MX, SPF, and DKIM settings to ensure reliable mail delivery across services. After domain verification, replace existing MX records with Zoho's MX entries to accept mail. Add an SPF TXT record that includes Zoho servers and any other mail senders you use. In Zoho Mail Admin, generate a DKIM selector and add the TXT record at your DNS host to sign outgoing mail. These steps reduce spam tagging and help ensure your messages reach inboxes across Gmail, Outlook, and other providers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.